Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Sardines in tomato sauce. A fresh and flavorful twist on canned sardines. If you enjoy canned sardines, you're definitely going to love this homemade version that's healthier, tastier, and packed with awesome flavor. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for sardines in tomato sauce. We're using small fresh sardines just like the ones you'd use in a classic Goan fish curry, but preparing them in a rich tomato-based gravy. Pressure cooked to perfection, the fish and the bones become soft and the sauce turns smooth and deeply flavorful. There's also a touch of Portuguese influence in this recipe. The use of tomatoes, garlic, and slow-cooked techniques that Goan cuisine has adapted over centuries. It's everything you enjoy about canned sardines, but with fresher ingredients, no preservatives, and home-cooked taste. We'll also share cooking tips to get the perfect results every time. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious sardines in tomato sauce. Step 1. Preparing the sardines. We have taken 1.2 kilograms of small sardines. Gently remove the scales from one side of the sardine, and once it is done, remove the other side too. Cut off the tail. Also cut the stomach area along with the head. Remove all the waste from inside the stomach. Also cut off the fins. Wash and clean the fish. The fish weighed around 500 grams after cleaning and discarding the waste. The sardines are now ready to be marinated. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the tomato paste. We have taken around 800 grams of tomatoes. Cut the tomato into quarts. Cut off the stem part. Remove the seeds and discard them.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Then cut each quart into 3 to 4 pieces based on the length of the tomato. Similarly, cut the remaining tomatoes. Tomatoes are ready. In a mixer or blender, add the tomato pieces. Blend them into a smooth paste. Add little water only if it is required. Tomato paste is ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them fine. Take 2 green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 10 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Crush each garlic clove and repeat the same for the remaining garlic cloves. Crushed garlic is ready. Take juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 4. Preparing the sardines in tomato sauce. On medium heat in a cooker, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the black peppercorns. Also add the cloves and cinnamon sticks. After around a minute, add the crushed garlic. Stir everything nicely. Then add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. Cook the onions until they turn translucent. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Add the slit green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Add the tomato paste. This delicious dish isn't just packed with flavor, it's loaded with nutrition too. After around a minute, use half cup or 125 ml of water to remove the tomato paste left in the mixer and add it. Add the lime juice. Add the sugar. Bring it to a boil. Add half cup or 125 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Now add the sardines. Stir gently. Check for salt and add if required. Cover the cooker, put the whistle on and let it cook for around 45 minutes. The sardine along with the bones will become soft and the tomato sauce will become nice and thick. After around 45 minutes, put the heat off and set it aside. Once the cooker has cooled down, open the lid. Check for salt and add if required. Check if the sardines along with their bones have become soft. If they have not, then cook them for some more time as bigger sardines may take more time to soften. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, calcium and vitamin D, all of which support heart, bone and brain health. The soft and edible bones are great for calcium intake, while the fresh tomato sauce adds a boost of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Plus, cooking it at home means no preservatives, just real wholesome ingredients, a perfect blend of taste and wellness. Serve it with rice, bread, or you can enjoy it as a snack. Hope this recipe is a great new addition to your daily menu. Delicious sardines in tomato sauce is ready. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members so they can also stay healthy and enjoy this dish. So until next time, stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you all.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.